Imagine walking outside on a warm spring day and suddenly the sky turns dark, the wind picks up, and a funnel cloud begins to touch down from the clouds above. In just moments, you're witnessing one of nature's most powerful and destructive forces, a tornado. Today, I'll explain the fascinating process about how tornadoes form. I chose this topic because tornadoes are extreme weather events that most of us will never fully understand without breaking down the science behind them. While we can't exactly recreate a tornado in a home setting, we can look at the process step by step. In this speech, I'll explain the three main stages of tornado formation. One is how the right storm conditions create the possibility of a tornado. Two is how rotation develops inside the storm. And three is how a tornado actually touches down and becomes visible. The first step in tornado formation begins with a specific type of thunderstorm called a supercell. These storms occur when warm, moist air near the ground meets colder, drier air higher in the atmosphere. The clash of these two air masses creates instability. Think of it like mixing oil and water. The two don't really blend smoothly, and instead they build energy. This instability that the conjoining of the two things causes, along with the strong wind at different heights, creates the perfect environment for tornadoes to develop. Next is developing rotation. Inside a supercell, wind shear occurs. Wind shear is when winds are blowing at different speeds and directions at different heights. This causes the air to begin rolling in a horizontal tube shape. Now imagine that tube of spinning air being tilted vertically by the rising warm air that is inside the thunderstorm. Once that happens, the storm itself begins to rotate. This rotating motion is called a mesocyclone, and it's the core of a tornado forming.
Wow, that is really rotating. Yes, it is. Power plant.
The final stage is when the rotating air inside the storm narrows and extends upward toward the ground. As the rotation tightens, wind speeds increase, just like how a figure skater spins faster when pulling their arms in. When this rotation touches the ground, it officially becomes a tornado. Tornadoes can last just a few minutes or over an hour, and their strength can range from minor roof damage to completely leveling entire neighborhoods. To recap, tornadoes form through three main stages. First is unstable storm conditions that provide the foundation. Second, wind shear and rotation create a mesocyclone. And third, the rotation tightens and touches down, forming a tornado. While tornadoes can be very frightening, they're also incredible examples of the power of nature and the complexity of Earth's atmosphere. The next time you see dark skies and hear thunder, you'll know just how science is happening above your head.